everybody, it's your boy here coming back at you with another video. And can I just say that it is quiet time right now in my house because it's 2 a.m. and everyone's supposed to be asleep. But I'm not. When you get to be a famous YouTuber like me, you're above the law. What can I say? Besides, thank you. To all you guys that support us, I really appreciate it. Okay, guys, I was lying. I'm actually at the house alone right now. And it's really scary. I know it's just rain, but it sounds like there's somebody on my roof. And that's terrifying. And I don't like that. Who's on my roof? Why is rain on my roof? My wheezy dog Kimmy is scared too. Look at her, she's burying her face in the couch. Oh, Kimmy, you poor thing. What are we going to do? Kimmy can't defend me. I can't defend Kimmy. Oh, you poor thing. Love. Oh, now you... Oh. Yeah, I know. Come here, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. Belly, I'm consoling her while she wheezes. Leave me alone. It's okay, Kimmy. It's okay. Well, we're apparently going to get abducted by rain. So I guess I'll see you next time. Hopefully from a rain spaceship.